Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have here the mystery amoeba slider by SuperMax3D. So we're gonna check it out, see what we got, and I'm opening it upside down because my address is on the other side. So we're gonna see what happens and see what falls out. Okay, I actually gotta cut it though. That would help. Oh no, I gotta not cut into my, like, what am I doing? I'm having issues here. Ta-da! Dun, da, da, da. It's more wrap. This is very fancy. And more wrap. And more wrap. Okay. Ta-da! Wow. I got a tray. Whoa. That's cute. That's so cute. I even got a little keychain. How cute. Oh my god. And this is it. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I gotta thank you for the order, and I gotta pull this out. Gotta pull that out. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking cute. I love these colors. So this is the slim, I believe. One side's blue. Ooh, the other side's pinky purple. Ooh. Wow. It's very light. Check out the plates. They look like a countertop. Small amount of texture here. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. Whoops. Does seem a little long. It is a long boy. Yeah, that is long. 48 millimeters. 48 millimeters. 48.5. 48.7. 48.5 millimeters. Millimeters. 28.9 millimeters. 13.9 millimeters. Don't ask where that accent comes from. I got back from work, and at work, in order to entertain ourselves, me and my coworkers talk in funny accents. And sometimes it sticks when I get home. So yeah, let's compare it to, I mean, length and stuff wise. Here we go. Here's a fidget thing. So it's like, it's a little longer. Yeah. But it is slim. It is quite slim. Man, I am enjoying this. I am enjoying this. Like, whoa. But it feels so lightweight. there. Go back. There you go. Bloop. Yeah. 25.25 grams. That is quite lightweight. Oh god, that was terrible. But it's fun. I feel like the corner magnets could be like, I don't know, just a little bit stronger. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. Is it good as it is? It just feels really light. And there's just something about it. It just feels like I'm going to drop it. Like the pieces are going to fly apart. Yeah, I don't know. It's just... But maybe I just have the strong cans. Maybe I just need to learn to be gentle. Gentle. But the grip on it, like it feels good to hold here. Feels good to turn. This is just very entertaining. This is fun. You just gotta not throw it. You can't like, boom. You can't do that. You can't flick it, because that happens. So you gotta be gentle, gentle. But yeah, as long as you're gentle with it, this slim is golden. So let's take a look at this stuff again. Ooh, the nice little honeycomb pattern on the bottom. I got this cool little keychain that I'm gonna put on my bag. Super cute. I fucking love this color, man. I got lucky. I got real lucky. I love these colors. I love these colors. And the mystery thing is only like 20 bucks. What a sweet deal. You can get past products, you can get slims, you can get tungsten ones, you can get regular ones, you can get so many. There's so many options. Yeah, there's just so much effort that gets put into these. He's like, seems like he's constantly improving them. They're constantly getting better. I've been keeping up with these, and they've been just, I just see them get better and better. SuperMax3D, now I'm on the hype train. I've been wanting one of these for a while, and I finally pulled the trigger, and I am glad that I did. And yeah. I think it's an A+. This has been a success. Great success. Nice strong clicks. Not too crunchy. Just a little bit crunch. Super smooth. Yeah. 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 Guys, this is good. SuperMax3D. I will be buying another. Maybe another mystery. I fucking love mystery boxes. So you can have the one that you're playing with right there, and then you can have other ones in this deep dish. Ah. Good stuff. So guys, what do you think of this? Do you guys have any amoebas, any amoeba sliders? If you do, what kind? Yeah, let me know in the comments. Are you planning on getting an Amoeba slider? Are you planning on getting the mystery box? Let me know. Let's have a conversation about it. I would love to talk about it. And I hope you guys are having a fantastic time, being fantastic. And I hope you like this video, and I hope that you subscribe because it really helps. All right, guys. I would love to see you in the next video. Have a great one, guys. Later.